Hello everyone. Today we will recapitulate the topic inserting objects on a slide. So students, you can insert different objects on a slide like clip art, pictures, shapes, word art, smart art and so on. Okay. So today we will recapitulate how to add different objects on a slide. Now let's see how to add pictures to a slide. So first of all you have to go to insert tab. Here is an insert tab and then you have to go to pictures in images group. Okay, you have to click on pictures option and then insert picture dialog box will appear, and then from here you can locate appropriate folder. Okay, you can click on any folder where your picture is saved. Okay, so I'm clicking on pictures and then you can click here. From here you can open the folder and then you can select any image. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one. Okay, then you have to click and then click on insert and it's done. Okay, and from here you can minimize or maximize your picture. Okay, you can minimize or maximize the size of your picture. Understood? Or from here, understood, you can change the size of your image. Understood now? Understood everyone? Now let's see how to add clip art to a slide. So first of all, let insert a new slide. Go here and then from here you can select any layout. I'm selecting this blank one. Okay, so students, now we will insert a clip art. So for this we have to go to insert tab and then here is a clip art option in images group. So you have to click here and then clip art task pane will appear. Okay, clip art task pane will appear. Then here in search for box you can type anything which you want to search. Okay, let's suppose I'm typing here tree and then click on go and the image of tree will appear, or you can type here car. Okay, and then click on go and then images of cars will appear, and then you just have to select the image and click on it and it will be inserted to your slide. Okay, and then you can click here, drag it. Okay, you can drag it and resize the image. You can resize the image by minimizing or maximizing it. Okay, or you can drag it anywhere on a slide. You can change the position also. Okay, so understood. Now next is adding word art and shapes. Okay, so first of all we will see how to add word art. Okay, now students, where we will find this word art option? So we are inserting something, right? So where we will find it? In insert tab. Okay, so go to insert tab and look here in text group. Here is a word art option. Okay, you have to click here and from here you can select any style for your text. Okay, any style for your text. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one. Click on it and it will appear. Okay, and then you have to click on backspace. Okay, and the cursor will appear. Then you can start typing anything, like I'm typing here computer. Okay, and it's done. Okay, you can also place it anywhere. You just have to move your cursor over the boundary of this box. Okay, and this type of arrows will appear and then you can move it, drag it and move it to another position. Okay, understood. Now let's see how to insert shape. Okay, how to add shape to a slide. So we are inserting something, so where we will find this option? In insert tab. So we have to go to insert tab. Here is a shapes option in illustrations group. Okay, you have to click on shapes and then from here you can select any shape. Okay, you can select any shape from here okay, and then click on it. I'm selecting the smiley shape, and then click on the point you want to insert it, okay, and it will be inserted, okay, or you can drag it to draw the shape. Okay, let's suppose I'm taking another shape from here. Okay, I'm taking this one. You can, instead of clicking, you can drag it. Okay, you can drag it and you can drag to draw the shape you want. Okay, understood. And yes, if you want to change the color of this, okay, if you want to change the color of the shape, you have, what you have to do, you have to click on it, okay, and then format tab will appear here. You have to click on format tab, and here is a shape fill option. You have to click on shape fill, and then you can select any color for your shape. Okay, let's suppose I'm selecting this yellow or this orange, and it's done. Understood now? And yes, students, you can also add text. Okay, you can also add text to this. So let's suppose what you have to do to add text, you have to right click on the shape, and then you can select the option edit text. Okay, and then here cursor will appear, then here you can type anything. Understood? Understood now how to type in our shape. Okay, now next is adding smart art. Adding smart art. So students, sometimes you want to add charts or graphics or flow charts to your presentation. So PowerPoint has various such ready to use options called smart art graphics. Okay, and where we will find this option? We will find this in insert tab. Here it is the smart art option in illustration group. You have to click on it, and then this type of dialog box will appear, and from here you can select any style or any flow chart, cycle, process. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one and I'm selecting this, and then you have to click on OK, and it's done. Okay, and here you can edit the text. Okay, understood? How? Understood, students? Now write down your homework. Your homework is you have to learn this full chapter. Okay, you have to revise chapter 6, more on MS PowerPoint. So now write your name, class and section in comment section, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.